Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a homemade organic deep conditioner that you can use once a week. You will need 1 egg, so I started by cracking the egg into the bowl. Egg prevents hair from breaking and shedding and also softens the hair. It's also a great source of protein and it also contains biotin for promoting hair growth and strengthening the hair strands. So I started whisking the egg until it's a really smooth consistency. This deep conditioner can be used once a week to tackle many different hair problems. You apply this from the root to the tip of the hair strands. Here I have an avocado. Avocado contains amino acids and vitamins to moisturize, repair and strengthen your hair. It also helps the hair to be resilient to damage. It also contains fatty acids to help balance the condition of the scalp and moisturize the scalp. As you can see, I scooped out the avocado into the bowl. Avocado also helps protect the hair by strengthening the scalp's natural barrier. And it helps to soothe inflammation on the scalp. So this is how it looks after mixing it up, whisking it up. It's very thick. I then took 1 aloe vera leaf and started to cut the top layer off. Then I scooped out the gel into the mixture. Using a fork, I whisked everything together. Then I added a little bit of olive oil, not too much. Olive oil is also good for the scalp. It helps get rid of dandruff and it also helps calm down inflammation. It is also good for helping stop split ends and preventing breakage, and it contains vitamin E, which is not only good for the hair but for the skin. Apply this right from the base of the root all the way to the tip of the hair strands. So if you want longer hair, try this deep conditioner, homemade organic deep conditioner that doesn't contain silicone like the ones in the shop. This one is rich with biotin, which stimulates new hair growth. You will most likely notice a huge difference in your hair in how manageable it is and how shiny and soft it is within 2 weeks. When using a hair mask that contains egg, make sure that you don't leave it for too long. You can leave it in for about like 10 minutes or maybe even 15 minutes. But if you leave it for too long, you might overload your hair with too much protein, which can then cause breakage. Cover the hair with a plastic bag or a shower cap. Then after 10 to 15 minutes, you can wash it out with cool water and shampoo. Moisturize it with your oils and style. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe.